dear students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to fill in the blanks with greater than and less than or equals to sign. So these are our brackets. So we have to fill the sign whether the left hand side is greater than, less than or equals to right hand side. So let's start with the part A. In the part A, we are given that minus 3 plus minus 6 minus 3 minus of minus 6. Before starting, let's discuss some basic concept. First is that minus and minus becomes plus. Minus and plus or plus and minus becomes minus. Plus and plus becomes plus. So, by using this concept, we are going to solve this. Let's take the left hand side of this term. So, left hand side is minus 3 plus and minus 6 become equals to, as we just discussed, plus and minus become equals to minus. So, minus 3 and minus 6 here, minus taking minus common from here. So, this from here become equals to 3 plus 6. And we know that 3 plus 6 is 9 and minus sign is there. So, we can say that this from here is equals to minus 9. Now, taking right hand side from here, that is equals to minus 3 minus of minus 6. So this from here become equals to minus 3. As we just discussed above, minus and minus become plus. So this from here is equals to plus 6. So 6 minus 3 from here is equals to 3. So this is minus 9 and this is plus 3. Look here, this is minus 9 and this is plus 3, and we know that minus 9 is less than plus 3. So from here we can say that left hand side, that is minus 3 plus minus 6 is less than minus 3 minus of minus 6. So this is the answer to the part A of this question. Let's move to the part B. So in the part B, we are given that minus 21 minus of minus 10 minus 31 plus minus of 11. Taking left hand side from here, this is minus of 21 minus of minus 10. Using the formulas which we just discussed above in the part 1. So this from here is minus 21 will remain as it is. Minus and minus become equals to plus. So this from here is minus 21 plus 10. When we solve this, basically we are going to subtract minus 21 from plus 12. We get the value as minus 11. Now solving for the right hand side of this term. Right hand side is minus 31 plus minus of 11. So opening this bracket, this from here become equals to 31, and we just discussed above, that is plus and minus become equals to minus. So this from here is minus 11. So taking minus common from here, that become equals to 31 plus 11. Add 31 and 11, that from here is equals to minus of 42. So this from here is equals to minus 42, and we know that minus 11 is greater than minus 42. So the sign from here is minus 21 minus of minus 10 is greater than minus 31 plus minus of 11. Now the part C is 45 minus of minus 11. This is 57 plus of minus 4. Now starting with solving left hand side is 45 minus of minus 11. So this from here is 45, and as we just discussed above, minus and minus becomes plus. So this from here is equals to plus 11. So when we add 11 in 45, we get the value as 56. Now solving the right hand side of this equation, this from here is 57 plus minus of 4. We know that plus and minus become equals to minus. So this from here is equals to 57 minus 4. So when we subtract 4 from 57, we get the value of 53. So it is clearly visible that 53 is greater than, it's 56. It is clearly visible that 56 is greater than 53. So from here we can say that 45 minus of minus 11 is greater than 57 plus minus of 4. So this is the answer to the part C of this question. So now let's move to the part D. Part D is minus of 25 minus of minus 42 bracket. This from here is minus of 42 minus of minus 25. Taking left hand side here, left hand side, this from here is minus of 25 minus of minus 42. So solving the bracket, that is minus 5. We know that minus and minus become equals to plus. So this from here is 45. So this, it's 42. So we are going to subtract 25 from 42. So this from here is 42 minus 25. So when we subtract 25 from 42, we get the value as 17. So this is the solution of the left hand side of this equation. Now solving the right hand side, that from here is minus of 42, minus minus become equals to plus 25. So this from here is minus 42 plus 25. So basically we are going to subtract 42 from 25. So when we solve this, we get the value as minus 17, and it is clearly visible that plus 17 is greater than minus 17. So we can say that minus of 25 minus of minus 42 is greater than minus of 42 minus of minus 25. So this is the answer to the part D. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of integers. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.